In today's video, I'd like to show you the noise cancelling power of the VT W300 Bluetooth headset right here in the middle of our warehouse. So right now, what you're hearing is the background noise from the warehouse. As you can imagine, it's pretty loud around here. Our workshop is pretty huge, and some of our workers have to move between different areas to coordinate with moving. In a busy environment like this, it's important to have a headset that not only lets you communicate over long distance, but also cancels out the noise. And right now, I'm going to turn on the microphone. Alright, so now what you're hearing is the sound is coming through the headset. Take a listen. I'm pretty sure the last thing our workers want when they are on a call is to ask, "What? I can't hear you," or "What did you say? Can you repeat that?" So, what do you think? This is how it sounds in a busy environment like this. So, if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and follow us. We'll be posting product videos every month, and I can't wait to talk about with you again. I'll see you next month.